Hi everyone, welcome to our interview session. Today, my name is Tulasi Raghubadi, metric number 01DDT23F1010. We are excited to have you here as we dive into conversation with guests. In this session, we will explore about FlexPro AI dashboard and offering you a chance to learn valuable takeaways. Okay, let's start my question about design and interface. My first question is for Ms. Najwa.
So my name is Sharifah Najrusna binti Said Mahata. My matrix numbers is 01DDT23F1006.
Okay, my first question is for you is, how intuitive do you find the overall layout on the dashboard? And are there any specific area that feel cluttered or confusing?
The layout is generally intuitive, but I find the sidebar a bit cluttered with too many options. It can be overwhelming at first glance, especially for the new users.
Okay, thank you. The second question is, what are your thoughts on the color scheme and typography used in the interface?
I appreciate the color scheme, it's modern and professional. However, the font size could be larger for better readability, especially in data-heavy sections.
The third question is, how easy it is to navigate between different sections of the dashboard?
Navigation is relatively straightforward, but I think adding a breadcrumb trail would help users understand where they are within a dashboard more easily.
The next question is, do you feel the design caters to diverse users such as those visual impairments or other disabilities?
The design could be improved for accessibility. Adding more contrast between text and background would help visually impaired users, and providing keyboard navigation option would enhance usability for all.
Okay, final question for you is, do you notice any inconsistent in design elements such as buttons and icons throughout the dashboard?
Yes, I have noticed some inconsistent in button styles and icon size. This can be distracting and may lead to confusion about which actions are primary or secondary.
Well, thank you so much for your answer, Najwa.
Welcome.
Now go to functionality question about FlexPro AI for Miss Kamini.
My name is Kamini, number matric is 01DDT22F207.
The first question is, are there any specific features you find particularly useful or ineffective? Can you explain why?
The analysis features is extremely useful. It's provide clear and easy to use. However, the reporting tools feels limited in customizing option.
Okay, the second question is, how would you rate the loading times and responsiveness of dashboard?
Loading times are generally acceptable. Length when accessing more complex data set, it will benefit to optimizing performance.
The next question is, how well does the dashboard integrate with other tools or software you use?
The integration with our CRM works well, but the changes with API connection to other tools. Documentation for setting up those integration will be clear.
Okay. The fourth question is, there are any adequate feedback mechanism in place, for example, notification and alerts when performing actions on the dashboard?
The feedback mechanism is could be installation. For example, I would like to see confirmation message after completing action, as well as more alerts for important notification.
Okay. The final question is for you is, how easy it is for you to complete your primary task using this dashboard?
Completing primary task is generally easy, but the multi-steps processing for generation reports will become some.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Ms. Kamini, for sharing your time today. It was a great learning and a clear understanding of how the FlexPro AI works. So thank you so much.